Okay, here she is, all done up again, ready to go. No more stalling, I'm just going to fly this and enjoy it. Sure my aileron closes, right, elevator, right. I got my CG set at 111 right now. Alright, here you go. Again. Thought I got this nerve-wracking out of the way the first time. Oh, here it goes again. Just trimming her out. Okay. Well, she flies just like the day when I had her. Oh, another tendency that I found out, I didn't know it was a stall when I was flying her before I crashed her a couple of days before that, is if you're going vertical and you're doing a spin or a roll and you're inverted and you're going to make it, she'll stall if you don't keep some throttle on her, and she just does a snap roll like no other. Someone thought I was watching me and thought I was, making it purposely happen, but luckily I was high enough and she pulled out of it. Bring her into land. Let's see how this goes now. Gee, last little flare. Should have touched it down without that last little flare, but landed good. Money in the bank. Now I gotta do my cat dance. Cat daddy. Thank God. Alright. It's a good flight, good test. So she's back like she was when I got her the first time. It's all good to go.